यदि तपाईले पैसा कमाउन एकदम मेहनत गरिरहनु भएको छ तर स्टिल पैसाको टेन्सन छ भने यसको समस्या तपाईको इन्कम होइन, तपाईको पैसाको खराब ह्याबिट हो। र आजको भिडियोमा म तपाईहरुसँग पैसाको 4 खराब ह्याबिटहरुको बारेमा कुरा गर्नेछौ। सोचेर हेर्नुहोस्, पहिला तपाईले धेरै पैसा कमाएको होला, तर त्यो पैसा अहिले तपाईसँग छ या छैन। यदि त्यो पैसाले तपाईको लागि अहिले काम गरिरहेको छैन भने यु आर स्टिल पुअर। यहाँनिर छ हाम्रो ठुलो प्रब्लम। पैसा कमाउनु ठुलो कुरा होइन, पैसालाई सही तरिकाले ह्यान्डल गर्नु इज अ बिग थिङ। आजको भिडियोमा हामीले गर्ने सबैभन्दा ठुलो 4 वटा मनी मिस्टेकको बारेमा कुरा गर्नेछौँ। अनि सबैभन्दा इम्पोर्टेन्ट, यो मिस्टेकलाई कसरी सुधार्ने त्यो पनि सिक्नेछौँ। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। हाम्रो फर्स्ट ब्याड ह्याबिट के हो भने वी पे आवरसेल्फ लास्ट। बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक, तपाई पुरा हार्डवर्क गर्नुहुन्छ पैसाको लागि, तर यु नेभर किप एनिथिङ फर योरसेल्फ। तपाईको इन्कम जतिसुकै होस्, 50,000 होस् या 1 लाख, if you are not saving or investing, त्यो इन्कमको केही भ्याल्यु छैन। You don't become rich by saying, I once earned 1 crore. You become rich only when you have that money working for you. That's why you should always pay yourself first. यसको मतलब के हो भने use your income to make yourself rich first. How you become rich is by prioritizing savings, investing before other expenditures. तर हामी generally के गर्छौं? We prioritize spending on luxury items, buying new clothes, iPhone, cars, etc. अन्त लास्टमा बचेको अथवा उब्रेको पैसा सेभ या इन्भेस्ट गर्छौं। सल्युसन के हो भने स्टार्ट पेइङ योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट। तपाईको आफ्नो स्यालेरीको मिनिमम 15 to 20% हरेक महिना इन्भेस्ट गर्नुहोस्। It's like making yourself rich first before making other people rich. Second bad habit, not learning about personal finance and money management. Robert Kiyosakiले भन्नुभएको छ, financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it. पैसा हाम्रो जिन्दगीको एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट फ्याक्टर हो। हामी पैसा कमाउनको लागि हार्डवर्क गर्छौं, राम्रो जब पाउन लागि पर्छौं, तर जब कमाउन थाल्छौं, we don't focus on learning about money, how it works, where to invest, what is asset and what is liabilities, and that's a big mistake. Oh, college, schools never teach us about money. कसरी मनी म्यानेज गर्ने, कसरी इन्भेस्ट गर्ने र कसरी पैसालाई ग्रो गराउने। अनि हामी पनि पर्सनल फाइनान्स, मनी म्यानेजमेन्ट जस्तो कुराहरूमा इन्ट्रेस्ट लगाउँदैनौँ अनि सिक्ने कोसिस पनि गर्दैनौँ। Whereas यो फाइनान्शियल फ्रिडम अचिभ गर्नुको लागि एकदमै जरुरी हुन्छ अकर्डिङ टु रोबर्ट कियोसाकी।
यो कुरा बुझ्नुहोस्, इट्स आवर ओन रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी टु टेक आवर फाइनेन्सेस अन्डर कन्ट्रोल र यसको लागि धेरै टाइम पनि चाहिन्छ जस्तो मलाई लाग्दैन। सो जस्ट गिभ 1 आवर पर विक र अहिले एकदम सही टाइम छ टु लर्न पर्सनल फाइनेन्स।
किनभने मार्केट डाउन भएको छ अनि यो बाउन्स ब्याक गर्ने नै छ। द्याट्स फर स्योर। अब नै फाइनान्शियल नलेज गेन गर्ने बेस्ट टाइम हो, किनभने जब मार्केट डाउन भएको हुन्छ इन्भेस्टमेन्टको अपर्च्युनिटिज धेरै हुन्छ, जुन कुरा हामीले प्रिभियस भिडियोमा बताइसकेका छौं। सो इन्भेस्ट टाइम इन लर्निङ पर्सनल फाइनान्स टु कन्ट्रोल your money and answer some of the most important financial questions that everyone should know. Ask yourself these questions. What's my risk profile? What are my return expectations? How much money do I actually need in life? And how will I achieve it?
What kind of insurance do I need for health and life? How do I build emergency fund? How should I think about loans and how do I pay them off?
These are basic but powerful financial questions. जब तपाईलाई यसको answer थाहा हुन्छ, you will be in the top to truly understand money. So start today, learn about money, understand how it works. Third bad habit, lack of awareness about income and expenses. Morgan Houselले Psychology of Money bookमा भन्नुभएको छ, doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. And behavior is hard to teach even to really smart people. मतलब financial success intelligence सँग होइन, habit र behavior सँग जोडिएको हुन्छ. One of the biggest bad habit is not knowing your own income and expenses. आफ्नो income कति छ, कति खर्च हुन्छ र इन्कमले के गर्न सक्छ सक्दैन बुझ्नु जरुरी हुन्छ. हामी अरूसँग कम्पेयर गर्छौं, उनीहरूको लाइफस्टाइल कपी गर्न खोज्छौं, तर आफ्नो इन्कमले त्यो सस्टेन गर्न सक्छ कि सक्दैन त्यो बुझ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. Comparison is dangerous. A person earning 50,000 can be a better financial position than someone earning 1 lakh. If the higher earner mismanages their money, it is not about how much you earn, it's about how well you manage and behave with the money that you have.
Smart money management is more important than high income. So, आफ्नो इन्कम कहाँबाट आउँदैछ र कहाँ खर्च हुँदैछ त्यो जान्नु एकदम जरुरी हुन्छ.
Keep it simple. Track all your income and expenses. That will give you a snapshot of everything. All your income and outgoing expenses so that you are not missing anything. Stop blind comparison. Just because others are spending on something doesn't mean you should. Instead of chasing others, learn to manage what you have wisely and make financial decisions based on what works for you, not what others are doing. Fourth bad habit, taking loan for everything. Defining your lifestyle is the most important thing you can do to live a fulfilled life, where you are in control of your money, not your money in control of you. तर धेरै मान्छेहरू सबैभन्दा ठुलो फाइनान्शियल ट्र्यापमा फस्छ by taking loan for everything. किनभने we tend to play status game as soon as we start earnings. We start buying expensive clothes, new car, getting new upgraded phones, going on vacations, buying random stuff by taking car loan, personal loan, credit cards, etc. These purchases makes us slave to your jobs, to your income, to our ego. As much as you spend money to enjoy life, also invest that money to escape that rat race. Invest so that your job isn't your only source of income. So, don't trap yourself in debt just to look rich. And before we know it, we are stuck in a cycle of loan, EMI, and stress. Remember, a loan doesn't make you rich, it makes you a slave to banks. You are working hard just to pay off interest. Remember, loan is not benefit. Use money to buy your freedom, not to buy things that makes you a forever slave. The money is really important, but don't make it all about expenses. Before taking any loan, ask yourself, is it good debt like home loan, education loan, or it is a bad debt, credit cards, car loan, personal loans. Rich people don't take loans for liabilities. They take loans to buy assets. Fix these habits and watch your wealth grow. The difference between rich and poor people money habit. Poor people pay themselves last. Rich people pay themselves first. Poor people Ignore financial education. Rich people learn personal finance. Poor people spends blindly. Rich people track income and expenses. Poor people take loans for liabilities, but rich people avoid debt trap. If you are start fixing this today, your future self will thank you. Which habit are you guilty of? Comment down below and let's discuss. And if you found this valuable, like, share and subscribe for more financial wisdom.